Hello everyone, how are you people? I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how did I create this look with a very minimum amount of product for the monsoon, and I really hope that it will help you to do the makeup in this rainy season. So let's just not waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. So I will be starting my makeup with the moisturizer. The moisturizer I'll be using is Pond's Super Light Gel. This is my favorite. After the moisturizer, we will be applying the primer. So for the primer, I am using Pore Minimizer Primer from Inside Cosmetics. For the next step, I am going to skip the foundation. For the concealer, I will be using the Inside HD Conceal High Definition Concealer. To set the concealer, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I am the shade 128. For the next part, I will be going with a little bit of contour, but if you don't want it, you can skip it. It's totally up to you. So for the contour, I am using the NYX Wonder Stick. Now it's the time for the blush. So for the blush, I will be using the Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint. For the highlighter, I will be using the same NYX Wonder Stick. Now it's the time for the brows. For the brows, I will be using the e.l.f. Brow Gel. For the next step, if you want to go with an eyeliner, try to use an eyeliner which is waterproof. So I'm using the Mars Cosmetics eyeliner liquid eyeliner pen. For mascara it's the same. Use an waterproof mascara. I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Now it's the time for the lips. For the lips, I am using the Nykaa lip palette. To finish off the look, I'll be using the setting spray from Mars Cosmetics. It's Seal the Deal. I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will be seeing you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.